Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making elk meatloaf with mushroom gravy. This recipe takes 25 minutes to prep and 1 hour 15-minute to cook. Serves 6 to 8 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 2 pounds ground elk, ½ pound ground pork, 1 cup breadcrumbs, ½ cup milk, 1 large onion, 2 eggs, 3 cloves, garlic, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoons black pepper, 1 pound mushrooms, 3 tablespoons butter, 3 tablespoons flour, 2 cups beef stock, ½ cup heavy cream, and salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Breadcrumb preparation. Soak breadcrumbs in milk for 5 minutes until soft. Step 2. Meatloaf assembly. Combine ground elk, pork, soaked breadcrumbs, onion, eggs, garlic, Worcestershire, thyme, salt, and pepper. Mix gently, don't overwork. Step 3. Shaping. Form into loaf shape on rimmed baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Step 4. Initial baking. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Step 5. Gravy preparation. While meatloaf bakes, sauté mushrooms in butter until golden. Sprinkle with flour and cook 2 minutes. Gradually add stock, whisking constantly. Add cream and simmer until thickened. Step 6. Final baking. Continue baking meatloaf 15 to 20 minutes more until internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 7. Resting. Let meatloaf rest 10 minutes before slicing. Serve with mushroom gravy. And that's how you make elk meatloaf with mushroom gravy. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.